Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll be exploring the best snow cone machines available on the market this year. This list is based on my personal opinion, considering factors like price, quality, durability, and more information about these best snow cone machines. You can check out the description below, so let's get started. Cuisinart Snow Cone Machine. If you're searching for a snow cone machine that offers performance at an easier price, this one from Cuisinart is a smart choice. Simply flip the switch to turn it on, load it with ice cubes, and gently press the plunger to start churning out snow cones. It made enough ice for 4 to 5 servings in under a minute. The machine automatically stopped when we lifted the plunger, which is an excellent safety feature. The receptacle drawer pulls out, which let us easily scoop the ice into the included reusable or paper cones. We gave this machine high scores based on how easy it was to use and how quickly the machine ground ice cubes. It would be perfect for a kid's party or serving a larger group at an event. To top it off, this machine didn't make a mess, as all the ice collected in the drawer below. While we did like the small size and crunchy consistency of the ice, we wish we had the ability to adjust the blade for other texture options. That said, if you love snow cones and have the space to store it, this machine is a nice, affordable option. Snowie, Little Snowie Max Snow Cone Machine. Modeled after Snowie's commercial machines, the Little Snowie Max is as straightforward as these appliances come. Right out of the box, we were able to load the hopper with up to 64 ounces of ice cubes and press down the lid to start creating fluffy snow cones. The set also includes 6 syrup mixes and 2 bottles with pour spouts, so you can create your own snow cone station right on your counter. We loved that we could easily operate it with one hand, using the other hand to hold a cup or cone to catch the ice. While it runs on the loud side, the noise was comparable to a blender or even your best food processor on high. This machine worked very fast, making an 8-ounce cup of ice in about 5 seconds. The chute also acts as a shaper, and we were able to mold snow cones into that rounded, recognizable shape by pressing the cone upwards as it filled. We really liked the consistency of the ice from this machine, as it fell somewhere between true block-shaved ice and a crunchy snow cone. Nostalgia Vintage Snow Cone Maker. Styled after the type of old-timey popcorn cart you may have seen at carnivals and fairs, this snow cone maker would be a hit at a kid's birthday or pool party this summer. As no sharp parts are exposed until you take it apart for cleaning and maintenance, kids can have an active role in making snow cones too. Load ice cubes into the shaving chamber and lock the lid in place to start the shaving process. With a full chamber of ice, this machine can make several 8-ounce snow cones in one go, up to 20 at a time. Also included in the set are 2 reusable plastic cups and an ice scooper. We found this machine very easy to use and liked how foolproof the process of producing perfectly crunchy ice was. While the see-through chamber catches all the ice, there was a little bit of spillage when we scooped it out through the side door, so we recommend having a towel nearby to wipe away any mess. We would be mindful of running the motor over an extended period of time, as this isn't meant for heavy use, but it isn't a deal breaker. Nostalgia Retro Tabletop Snow Cone. This retro-styled snow cone maker by Nostalgia has a candy apple red finish and silver accents, reminiscent of a 1950s diner jukebox or movie theater fixture. As with the above model, also from Nostalgia, you load the ice chamber with cubes, turn the lid to lock, then start the ice shaver. This set also comes with 2 reusable cups and an ice scooper. We liked the no-fuss operation of this model and found that the machine felt pretty stable throughout the shaving process. All the finished ice is collected into the clear chamber below, preventing any watery mess from ending up on the counter. The side door access caused a bit of spillage as we scooped out the finished ice, so we recommend removing the ice chamber and accessing the snow cone ice from the top to keep it contained. Because the motor on this model isn't meant for heavy use, we would be mindful of how long it runs at once. But at this affordable price, it's a worthy purchase overall. Hawaiian Shaved Ice S777 Snow Cone. If you can't decide between a snow cone or a shaved ice machine, you don't have to. This model by Hawaiian Shaved Ice can do both. This machine features an adjustable blade that lets you make a variety of textures of ice. Just plug it into the wall, add ice cubes or an ice block, molds included, and use the single touch button to start the process, catching the shaved ice in a container below. Included in the package are 5 lidded ice molds, so you can make ice blocks that fit perfectly into the machine for shaved ice. If you're more of a crunchy snow cone lover, you can opt for cubes instead. This machine consistently provided excellent results, regardless of the blade setting. A fully raised blade yielded crunchy ice chips, while the lowest height made fluffy, soft shaved ice. While it took us a little time to figure out what blade height we preferred, we easily powered through several blocks of ice once we set it. We also liked how stable the machine was when in use, and how easy it was to clean with a bit of soap and warm water.